beating heart of the Willys MB, the Go Devil L134 engine. And we have one on the workbench. Hi, I'm Ross, and you're watching Combat Cars. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So I bought this engine half stripped. It was missing the cylinder head. I finished stripping it down, as you can see. We already took it to the machine shop. Had the pistons bored out to plus 40. I have a nice second-hand set of pistons here. They're in really good condition. Willys of France. They're plus 40s. They've got a set of new old stock rings for that. But before we do any of that, I have to remove some broken studs. So we have two broken studs in the cylinder head area and two here in the exhaust manifold area as well. So 4 studs to remove. You see here we had to sleeve number 4 cylinder, reline it and bore it out to 40, so they're all 40. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see if we can get these studs out first. See how this goes. Nice shiny new drill bit for this one. Looks about the middle of it. Let's see, 15/64. Right, that's those two. Happy days. That's it. 4 broken studs removed and helicoiled. Happy days. Alright, so battery ran out yesterday. Sorry about that. So you missed the removal and fitting of the valve guides, and I cleaned up this whole area here. There's the old valve guides. We pressed those out and pressed in new valve guides, reamed them out to size, cleaned up all these ports here. So now I'm ready to cut. I want to cut seats on some of these because some of these are quite bad. Fit the valves and then we'll grind the valves in. Alright? Oh, that looks nice now. This one here is pretty bad. Yeah, it's going to take a bit of work, alright. It's getting there. I'm very happy with that, I think. Now, next thing now is to grind in some valves. So, inlet valve is always bigger than the exhaust valve, right, usually. Yeah, there you go, you can see there. They're a different size. That's exhaust inlet, so I will see. It's okay. Okay. That's a bit stiff. Okay, that one there, I think I might just run a bit of emery paper on that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just there. That's it. Now, mark these up and grind them in. Right. Right. Grind it in the valves. A little trick I learned from a pro. For grinding in the valves, just a bit of rubber pipe. I'll show you now how that works. Once I'm done with these rags, I throw them out because they'll be covered in grinding paste. That looks pretty good. looks pretty good. Four down, 4 to go. Last one. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to try and clean out this oil gallery a bit that's inside. So I'm going to open some bones. That's the first one. Right, let's see if we can get these ones open now. There. Oh, it's pretty choked up, alright. It's starting to look a bit better. See, can I open that one there? That's not too bad now. Not going to remove the brass oil elbows because they'll just get damaged. Coming up next time on Combat Cars. And then the next job will be to remove the old cam bearing, put in a new cam bearing, and very careful not to damage the bearing. Do the same here. That should give us the right place. So the trick is to try and tap this in straight. So we don't have to tighten the for now. The tappet gap has been set, but what I'll do when we're closer to almost finishing the engine, we'll rotate this over a few times and then check the gaps again and see if they're all okay, and then that'll be it.